Hello and good morning. Welcome to G3 Astro. In today's video, we shall look at the Aries Ascendant and the 8th house along with the Dasha Bukthis. I have already given you a complete analysis of the Kartatvas of the 8th house as mentioned in Uttara Kalamrita and Faladipika. Please do check out my videos. The description will flash on your screen or it will be in the description box. I have also given you the technique of using Bhavad Bhava principle, which will be very useful, especially when we are delineating 8th house. Another thought process is when we are looking at the 8th house, the Dasha Bhuktis has a very important part to play. Unless the Dasha Bhuktis have a link to the 8th house or to the 8th lord, the native may not have the positivities or the negativities of the 8th house, and we shall also relearn the behavioral pattern of Rahu and Ketu. Let us begin. Planets posted in a bhava will give the qualities to the bhava, like sun gives brilliance, moon gives patience, and so on and so forth. But the results of the planets posted in any bhava is only felt during the Mahadasha or during the Bhukti of that particular planet. The native may not get the Mahadasha at all or of the planets posted in the bhava or of the lords of the bhava, but the native will definitely get the bhuktis of every planet in the Vimshottari Dasha system. Okay. Now let us look at Rahu and Ketu. Rahu and Ketu are considered shadowy planets and they are the north and the south nodes. Rahu is compared to Saturn. Shani Vats Rahu or Rahu Vats Shani compared to Saturn. Kuja Vats Ketu, Ketu Vats Kuja. So Ketu is compared to Mars. Thus, they give the results of Saturn and Mars. Along with the results, they have their own results which they give. Like Rahu gives energy and want and desire, whereas Ketu gives the detachment and attachment. Trying to search for inner peace is what Ketu gives. They also give the results of their dispositor lords. We will learn more about the dispositor lords as we go into the Dasha Bhuktis in the chart. Now, in the next, we have this Aries Ascendant and the 8th house. The native is born on 10th November 1968 at 17 hours 41 minutes in Bangalore. And Aries is the ascendant. There is no planet posted in the 8th house. The 8th lord is Mars, who is also the lagna lord. He is placed in the 6th house. He is conjoined, or Mars is conjoined with Jupiter, and it is in Ketu Rahu axis, aspected by Saturn retrograde. No other planet aspects this conjunction. No planet aspects the 8th house. Mars, the 8th lord in the Navamsha, is in Pisces, which is the 12th house from the Aries Ascendant or Rashi Lagna Ascendant. Now, the native has the Dasha Bhukti of Ketu from 2017 till 2024. During the Dasha Bhukti of Ketu, Ketu is conjoined with the 8th Lord Mars, who is also the Lagna Lord. Therefore, during the Dasha Bhukti of Ketu, the native will have the effects of the 8th house. Before Ketu Dasha, the native had Mercury Dasha. In Mercury Dasha, Mars Bhukti, there would be an effect of the 8th house. Before Mercury, she had Saturn Dasha. In Saturn Dasha, Mars Bhukti, she would have had a plus or a minus of the 8th house. In the next video, let us look at the Ketu Mahadasha and its Bhuktis for the same chart. Hope this video was useful to you. Do like, share, subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Be safe. Bye-bye.